Good morning. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine in this COVID-19 pandemic. Now you all are at home. Now, let us enjoy with the sports day. How many of you have participated in javelin throw? How many of you have participated in this shot put? Many of you have participated. Now, if you recall, what is the movement, how the javelin moves after throwing, how the shot put moves after throwing. So, you can say that movement of, you can say in such a way that movement of javelin is horizontal? No. Is vertical? No. Is it horizontal and vertical both? Answer is yes. Same is the story of the shot put after throwing. So in that case what happened? That shot put or the javelin moves vertically as well as horizontally together. So in that case, this is the, we can say that javelin or shot put moving in along the x-axis as well as the y-axis. Means javelin or shot put moves in a plane, and this particular type of motion where the object moves vertically as well as horizontally, that type of motion is known as the projectile motion. Projectile motion. And the object is known as projectile. So here, let me show you here. This one is, two things are there. This object moves horizontally, and the object moves vertically. Now here, so this projectile motion, this is said to be the projectile motion. Now this projectile motion is of two types. Here, for example, this is the piece of chalk, and if I apply the force, so this chalk is moving horizontally, and then again the force, so you can observe that the movement of the chalk is like this. This is the movement of the chalk. Movement of the chalk. In that case, let that point is A and this point is B, and this is the height H. So here, let at the particular time, after time T, the object reach to the point P and it has the coordinate X and Y. So this distance is X and this distance is Y. This is the coordinate. Now here, during the motion, that object changes its position with respect to the x-axis as well as the y-axis. And here, so that's why it is considered as a motion in a plane, and it is known as the projectile motion. So here when the object moves other than vertical, object moves other than object moves other than vertical. And here is one more example is there, one more situation. Here if I throw this chalk like this, so that chalk is moving like this, means here in that condition, that case, here projected by certain angle. Certain angle. So projected by certain angle means here this is, you know very well, y-axis and this is x-axis, and the object is projected. So here this is the tangent at this particular point. So this shows the initial velocity, and here is after time t the particle reaches to this particular point. So this is pxy and this is the position after time t. So here also when the body moves, then it is going to change its position with respect to the x-axis.